Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to tell you what happens to your body when you consume lemon every day. Lemon is an inexpensive, practical fruit that's easy to add to your daily routine and can bring many benefits to your health. You're going to love this video. Stay until the end because you won't want to miss it. If you love tips on nutrition, health, and fitness, you're going to love this channel. Take the opportunity to subscribe and remember to activate the bell to receive notifications. I have new videos every day. You're going to love them. Let's start talking more about the benefits that consuming lemon daily brings you. And really, it's super easy to consume lemon every day. It doesn't necessarily have to be just lemon water. I'll give you some other great tips on how to add more lemon to your daily routine. One of the major benefits of consuming more lemon in your daily life is that it helps with weight control. That's because lemon can play a role in detoxifying your liver, aiding digestion and helping metabolize certain nutrients. Several studies have already found that lemon water, for example, can be beneficial if you drink it before meals to help with the weight loss process. That's also because lemon water will take up more space in your stomach, making you eat less food at that lunch or dinner you'll have after drinking it. Remember that I have a video here on the channel talking more about the benefits of lemon water, how to consume it properly, and I'll leave it down below in the description. In fact, lemon is a fruit that naturally contains very little sugar, very little carbohydrate, and very few calories. And usually you're not going to cut a lemon into 4 pieces and eat the lemon. Normally you'll dilute it in water, so you'll make a drink or you'll make a sweet, a dessert. I have a playlist of lemon recipes here on the channel. I'll leave it down below to inspire you, and later I'll also give you some other tips on how to add more lemon to your day. Another major health benefit of consuming lemon every day is the reduced risk of kidney stones. That's because the citric acid in lemon, which is naturally present, can reduce the production of those oxalate crystals in the kidneys that cause those painful stones, both to feel and to pass. Some people even compare the experience of passing kidney stones to childbirth because of how much it hurts. So consuming lemon daily can help with your kidney health. I have other videos on this channel talking about the best and worst foods for your kidneys, and I'll leave them linked below in the description. Consuming lemon every day can also really help your skin, hair, and nails. That's because lemon, once again, is very rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C is closely related to collagen synthesis in our body. I have a video here on the channel where I talk more about the relationship between collagen and vitamin C, and another interesting one about the symptoms of vitamin C deficiency, because many people have a subclinical deficiency. They don't even know they're lacking vitamin C, and it could be related to drier skin with more wrinkles or more brittle nails. Consuming more lemon can also be beneficial for your cardiovascular system, even helping to regulate blood pressure, because lemon is rich in vitamin C and contains many flavonoids, especially in the lemon peel. So occasionally making a tea and using some lemon zest, adding it to a salad or to a dessert, can help you consume more of these bioactive compounds that are linked to improvements in the cardiovascular system, protection against damage from free radicals, and better blood pressure control. Because when you consume, for example, lemon water, you stimulate more diuresis, which encourages your body to eliminate excess fluid, and this can also help control blood pressure. It's impossible to talk about lemons without mentioning immunity. People who consume lemons every day generally have a stronger immune system. This is due to the vitamin C, the antioxidants, and these more bioactive compounds that are present in lemons. In fact, I have a playlist here where I talk more about immunity, the role of diet, the best and worst foods, juices, and teas that you can consume in your daily life. Because nowadays we are very concerned about this, and lemon can be a very practical way for you to get your daily dose of vitamin C and also strengthen your immune system. Another benefit of consuming lemon every day is that it helps control anemia, especially for those who suffer from iron deficiency anemia, because lemon helps to solubilize non-heme iron, which is found in vegetables. I have a video where I talk more about anemia, the difference between heme iron and non-heme iron. I'll leave it down below. But consuming lemon at lunch and dinner during your main meals, where you would get this non-heme iron, can be very helpful in combating anemia as well. In a very broad sense, lemon can greatly benefit the health of different systems in our body. That's because it is very rich in antioxidants, it is very rich in polyphenols and flavonoids, which help improve the proper functioning of our body, prevent the onset of diseases, and even strengthen our system to help fight cancer by boosting our immune system. Of course, it won't cure cancer, nor should you replace any type of treatment, whether for cancer, diabetes, heart conditions, or any other health issue. The idea is not to stop taking your medication to start drinking lemon water, not at all. Always continue with your treatment, follow your doctor's advice and your nutritionist's dietary recommendations, but adding lemon can strengthen your body and your immune system. In fact, the presence of flavonoids helps to reduce inflammation in our body. And we know that a less inflamed body is less likely to have health problems, to develop more serious health issues, and it even helps with weight loss and weight maintenance, so it's really beneficial for your health. Another benefit that many people report from consuming lemon, specifically lemon water in this case, in the morning, is that it can help stimulate bowel movements and prevent constipation, making it easier to pass stool. Many people have the habit of drinking lemon water on an empty stomach in the morning and say that after drinking it, they feel the urge to go to the bathroom and are able to have a bowel movement. So it can be very helpful for digestion and for preventing constipation in many people. Remember that I have a playlist here on the channel with laxative recipes, and I also have a playlist that talks more about constipation and how to have a healthy gut. I'll leave them down below to help you as well. I just need to make one caveat. For some people, drinking lemon water on an empty stomach can be a bit harsh on the stomach and esophagus, and it might actually be contraindicated precisely because it's taken on an empty stomach. I have some videos here on the channel that talk more about the benefits of lemon water and how to drink it the right way, and I'll leave them down below in the description. Also remember that lemon can be consumed in many different ways. You can use it in a simple lemonade, or as a base for your green juice together with kale with a banana, for example. Simply add a piece of fresh lemon in there. It will bring you these benefits, and you can easily mask its acidity. You can use it as a salad dressing, or you can use it as a seasoning for meats, or even on top of chicken, fish, or any cooked meat. You can add a few drops of lemon to bring more acidity, to cut some of the fat from the meat if the meat is fattier. So remember that lemon has many uses in cooking, and you can make anything with it: sweets, sauces, juices, desserts. I'll leave a playlist of lemon recipes down below to inspire you. Remember that I have a playlist here on the channel about the benefits of foods, where I talk about the benefits of consuming other super interesting foods daily, such as broccoli, kale, apples, spinach, papaya. These are everyday foods, their properties, and lots of tips. And I'll leave this playlist down below so you can learn more. Tell me, how do you usually use lemon in your daily life? If you have a special recipe with lemon, I'd love to see your comment. Like the video to help me, and share it with anyone who might enjoy or need it. Let's work together to grow this chain of good, because that's what I want here with the channel. See you next time. Bye.